Alright, so we have arrived. We are at the, what is this place called? Tiger Temple?
Tiger Cave Temple.
Tiger Cave Temple or whatever. And it looks like we have a lot of walking to do because you have to go straight up. So this will be pretty exciting, but there's apparently our monkey's there, so that'll make everything better. Okay, 1,237 steps to go. Gotta get those free stretches in.
How many?
1,237.
1,236? 1,235?
Alright, probably, almost, hopefully halfway there. This is rough so far, but it's gonna be worth it.
Oh yeah.
Alright, finally, we have made it. This view is just insane.